गोयचे वातावरण भाजपा आड जाल्ले आसा। हाचो काँग्रेस पक्षान पुराय फायदो घेवचो। तशेंच आम आदमी पक्षा कडेन काँग्रेस पक्षान आडनदर करपाची चूक करची न्हय अशी शिटकावणी वाळपयचे आमदार विश्वजीत राणे हांणी मंगळारा घेतिल्ल्या पत्रकार परिशदेंत दिल्या। आरडीएस हुआ खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार।
Just because the bloc is recommending names, that doesn't mean that man will become candidate. Many people in the bloc today, bloc presidents have become ambitious that they want to become candidates. Now everybody should be ambitious. I am also ambitious. But I am a sitting MLA of my constituency. In my constituency yet names are to be sent. We have not yet sent the names. But in Pariya constituency I am told 2 names have been sent. One is Pratap Singh Rane and one is my name. Now in Warpoi constituency, probably 2 names also will go. One will be my name and the second name let the bloc decide who they feel fit. I have left it freely open to the bloc to decide whether they want to send one of them or they want to send anybody else. It is up to the bloc to decide. Now when I say that I will work in 5 constituencies, that means I have worked in those 5 constituencies in the past, right from the days of Gurudas Gaons, right from the days of Naresh Sawar, right from the days of Praveen Zati. I have worked in all those constituencies. We have done a lot of development work, and I want to draw the attention to the media. If you look at all the development work that is done in Bicholim and Sattari Taluka was done under the leadership of Pratap Singh Raoji Rane and Digambar Kamath as Chief Minister and me as Health Minister. And I also want to say that there were people present in the media. I said Pratap Singh Rane to become Chief Minister or should become the face. It's all our dream that he should be our face. But ultimately the decision of the party high command. And I also made it very categorically clear yesterday during my speech that I have full faith in Mrs. Gandhi's leadership and I have full faith in her because I have a different equation.
No, but you said that your decision will be binding on the GPCC.
I never said my decision is binding. That's been misquoted.
You said I'm not in defiance mode against Congress. What makes you say that?
No, because the papers are saying that I'm in a defiance mode. I'm not in a defiance mode. And I have also just now said I never spoke of Sanclave. How can I speak of Warpoi and Pariya constituency when we are sitting MLAs? It's stupidity on my part to even say I want 5 seats. I don't want any seats. Today with the BJP letting down people on all fronts, including casino and everything, people and electricity, water bills people can't pay. People are borrowing for the first time to pay these bills. There's a hatred developed towards the BJP. I see, as of now, you want a practical view, I feel there's going to be feel definitely Congress, if cards well played, can really take on BJP.